Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some fall DIYs. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. Alright, so these are the pumpkins I found at the Dollar Tree. As you can see, they have so many different beautiful ones, but I only got these. I did have to go to 2 different Dollar Trees though. I will be doing 5 projects, and on all of the projects I will be using these pumpkins. So I'm going to start with this Dollar Tree wood hanging decor sign that I'm going to paint white using some white chalk paint. The next thing I will be doing is getting a pumpkin from each little pack. And I can't get over how beautiful some of these pumpkins are. They come with this little clip on the back, so I did remove it from all of the pumpkins. Then I arranged them how I wanted them to go on my sign. As you can see, there is a space. I left the spacer because I will be adding a bow. But if you want to add pumpkins all around this, you are more than welcome to. To add more to this, I decided to add some of the Walmart slam ears. I did take a pick apart and I added them in between the pumpkins. Some of them I even added under. If you want this sign to go outside your door, I definitely recommend you using like a heavier duty glue, E6000 or a super glue. Now for the center of this sign, I am going to put this Hello Wood pumpkin sign that I got from the Dollar Tree, which I am going to paint using the Waverly Antique Wax. Another detail I forgot to mention is that if you want to use these little holes for the hanger, don't glue a pumpkin right on top of it. Now to finish this off, I will be making a bow using some of the Dollar Tree burlap ribbon and this orange burlap ribbon that I got from the Dollar General. I am going to make like a double bow, or I overlap the ribbon, so it's going to be a 2-tone bow. I have this thin burlap ribbon that I decided to add to the center of the bow, and look how much nicer this made it look. Now I'm going to glue the bow where I left the space on my sign, and look how beautiful this looks. Now to finish this off, I will be using the same string that came with this wood sign, and I'm going to add some of the beads I already have. And that is it for this beautiful Hello pumpkin wreath. For my next project, I will be using a piece of wood that I got from the Dollar Tree. As you can see, I already painted it white, and I'm using this Farm Fresh wood cutout that comes in a little pack that I also got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint that using the Waverly Antique Wax. Now I'm going to glue the Farm Fresh in the center and then add 4 pumpkins, 2 on each side. The pumpkins that are close to the sign are going to help it stay in place. And look how beautiful this looks. Now you can leave it like that, but I decided to add this piece of leather that I removed from a Dollar Tree tag that I will be using in my next DIY. So I'm going to just glue this, and that is it for this beautiful Farm Fresh sign. Alright, so my next project is going to be very quick and easy. Now from the Dollar Tree, I'm going to use this plastic vase, which I recently found. I was going to paint this, but then I decided to just leave it this white color and add some of this burlap ribbon instead, which I'm going to only add it to the top part. If you're wondering where I got the ribbon, I got it from Michaels. It is their Christmas ribbon, which I got last year for 90% off. To decorate this some more, I will be adding this leather tag that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now I am going to remove the piece of leather and add some jute twine instead. I made the jute twine long enough to where I can make a jute twine bow out of this, and now the little leaf is going to be hanging. Once I am done doing that, I will be gluing the bow to my vase. For the greenery, I will be adding some of the lamb's ears that I got from the Dollar Tree, or actually the leftover, and some of these wheat picks. I did cut some off and added them inside. Now to add the pumpkins, I did use this little leftover thing that I had. I saved these because you never know what you need these for. So I will be adding some of these pumpkins to this. And that is it for this beautiful pumpkin fall vase. For my next project, I will be using a Dollar Tree LED candle, the skinnier and taller one, and a wood circle. Now this wood circle, I got it from a pack from Hobby Lobby, but Dollar Tree carries some that you can use instead. The next thing I did is paint the wood circle white. For this project, I'm only using 6 of the pumpkins, and I decided not to use the orange colors, and instead I used these. Before I glue the pumpkins, I'm going to add some Jenga blocks. So in order for me to make sure that the candle is going to fit in the center, I traced it at first, and then I added the Jenga blocks. You can paint the Jenga blocks before you add these or after, which I decided to do after. Now you can't really see them, so you don't have to paint them, but just in case you can, I painted them. Now, the reason I added the blocks was because I didn't want my pumpkins to be flat. I wanted these to be sideways, just like this. Now, I'm going to glue them, and then I'm going to add some of the ear lamps with this raffia that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then I will be adding the candle in the center. I'm not gluing the candle. The candle is removable, so like that you can turn it on and turn it off. And that is it for this beautiful pumpkin centerpiece. For my next project, I will be using 3 pumpkins and this Dollar Tree wood plank. Now, I was going to use this, but then I remember I had this Dollar General wood plank that's already painted white, so I decided to use that instead. The next thing I will be doing is putting the word fall using these Hobby Lobby stickers that I got a while back, and I got these on clearance. Instead of putting it like on the center, I put it more towards one side and I left the other side blank. That is where I will be adding the pumpkins. To decorate this some more, I will be adding some lamb's ears. Now, I did cut 2 stems off, but I will be cutting these individually so they can lay flat. Now, I'm adding 3 on each side. Then I will be adding the pumpkins. And look how beautiful this looks. Now you can leave it like that with the hanger, but instead I decided to remove it. And I first thought of adding it on the side, but then I decided to add it here instead. For the hanger, I added a sawtooth hook instead. And this is how this turned out. I actually ended up switching the fall sign to a home sign. This home sign is from the Dollar Tree. I painted it using the antique wax, and I honestly like this so much better. So that is it for this sign. And that is it. I was left with 3 pumpkins, which I'll save that for a future video. But other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's projects. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.